Veg heads love walnuts, and global veg heads love taking veggies to new places. These walnuts are headed to the USA for a Texas-style walnut veggie chili. The hot salt water leaches out those bitter tannins for a sweeter note. Soak, drain, and toast in the oven. And they come out just like this. Walnuts are a great meat alternative. And they're the protein punch in my chili. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, super heart healthy. They're also referred to as a brain food. I guess that's because they look like a brain. There you go. You can't have chili without chilies. Starting off with this jalapeno. And this chipotle pepper, smoked jalapeno in tart, herby adobo sauce. I just love the smell of these guys. And every good chili starts with aromatics. It's already smells so good, and I just got started. Masa, a corn flour, treated to make it healthier. Gives a really unique flavor to corn tortillas and nacho chips. I really want to cook it out, get a nice golden brown color on it. Give it more flavor. The Mex in Tex-Mex is Mexico. That's where the chili powder comes from. Ooh, now we're cooking. Cumin, a familiar flavor in chili. Come on in, everybody. I'm making chili. Smoked paprika. The more peppers, the merrier. Mexican oregano. Less sweet and stronger flavored than the Italian. Just don't tell my nonna. And a little cayenne. When those spices hit the dry pan, it really wakes up all those flavors and toasts them, really building the foundation of flavors. It's about to get nutty in here. Are you a red kidney beans in your chili type of person? I am. What was that, Veg Heads? Thanks for reminding me. Now, all that's left is a long, slow simmer. Cooking the masa until it's dark brown like this is gonna add some smoky body, and it's gonna thicken the chili even more. Walnuts were invented in 1883 by Belvedere Walnut. Okay, that's not true. But what is true is that this is some really, really good chili. Chili needs a few special garnishes. Sour cream and cheddar cheese. Ooh. Will you look at that? Is anything better than a big hearty bowl of chili?